Good morning, dear children. Now kindly take out your EVS notebook and write down the heading birds. So children, here you have to write down the bird's name. I have drawn here the bird's picture. If you have the cutouts, then you will cut the pictures and stick it. Okay. Now children, the first picture is crow. What is this? Crow. So write down the spelling of crow. Be remember children, first letter always be capital. C R O W, crow. Okay children. Now next picture is hen. H E N, hen. Okay. Next picture is cock. Okay. But how you know the difference between hen and cock? So children, when you see the tail of hen and cock, that time you will understand which one is hen and which one is cock. Hen it means murgi, cock it means murga. Okay, so write down the spelling of cock. C O C K, cock. Okay, next picture is swan. So write down S W A N, swan yani hans. Now see the next picture. What is this? Owl. Owl yani ullu. O W L, owl. Okay. Now what is this children? Yes, eagle. Eagle की beak बहुत ही sharp होती है. So write down the spelling of eagle. E A G L E, eagle. Okay, and the last picture is dove. Dove yani kabutar. D, write down D O V E. Okay children, so you have to draw the picture or you have to stick the picture, and after writing the names you have to learn it also. Okay, bye bye and take care.